Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today we will title guys how can we hide photos. Friends, you want to hide photos in your Samsung phone device, so how to hide. Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel, click the bell icon, like the video friends, and now let's see how to hide photos in Samsung phone device. So first of all guys, we will on guys Samsung phone setting guys. Oh, sorry, friends. I'm really sorry, guys. First of all, guys, you will have to download guys this phone, this Google file. Friends, you don't have, so I download. After on get this Google file, scroll it. Friends, you can see get this your save folder setting is tap here. So we will have to choose a log pin and pattern. So guys, we will go with pattern. And friends cannot at least five dots. So guys, you want to hide video, so you will have to select guys your five dots pattern. Guys, four dots will not work, guys. So I will take these five dots, this U. Next, two time guys, we will tap here, got it. Come back, friends, click on guys your phone images. I will tap here, so I will select guys this three image, this three photo guys. I will hide in my Samsung phone device. Move to save folder, tap here, draw your pattern, and get this photo will hide from here. Friends, you can check this photo, hide photo guys, we can check from here. So like that guys, we can hide photos. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.